ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯁꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯝꯗ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟ ꯂꯩ KNO ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ KNA ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ UPF ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯖꯒꯥꯗ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤꯡ KNA KNO ꯁꯨ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞꯀꯤ ꯂꯤꯁ ꯃꯈꯥꯗꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯈꯪꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ SOO ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ Suspension of Operation ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯅꯔꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯅꯤ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯔꯛꯄꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯨ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞꯀꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟ ꯀꯨꯀꯤ ꯖꯣ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯕꯦꯜ ꯏꯟꯁꯔꯖꯦꯟꯠ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ KNO Kuki National Organization amadi UPF United People's Front KNO gi makhada Su Group makhal mayam ama lei apunba organization KNO amadi UPF ki nearly 24 to 25 Kuki Joe Insurgent Group under the Soo Agreement latest revised tawgi matung ina 2025 ki matung ina Soo Group list leiba Manipur gi KNO gi makhada leiba group sing adudi
Major groups include Kuki National Army, Kuki National Front, Military Council, Kuki National Front, Zogam, Kuki National Front, Samuel, United Socialist Revolutionary Army, Hamar National Army, United Comrem Revolutionary Army, United Minorities Liberation Front, Zo Defense Volunteers, Kuki Liberation Army, Pakan Reunification Army, Kuki Revolutionary Army, United Old Kuki Liberation Army, United Tribal Liberation Army.
Makha tarakpada anishuba umbrella UPF United People's Front gi makhada leiba major group sing ming oina palabada
Kuki National Front, Zomi Revolutionary Organization / Zomi Revolutionary Army, Kuki Revolutionary Army United, Zomi Defense Force, United Kuki Liberation Front, Kuki Revolutionary Front, Zomi Defense Volunteers, HMPC Democratic, HPCD.
Mathakta panjakriwa group sing asi state government amasung central government yanabagi matung ina first ahanba oina sign taunaki 2008 ta Soo Agreement kariguma wahang what is KNO haina hangagadi Kuki National Organization hairiba organization asi umbrella amani Kuki Zo Insurgent Group ki Manipur da leiba amasung Manipur gi naknaba state singda amasung Chin state da leiba organization amani it represents this group in political negotiation chutawi especially under the Soo Agreement with the government of India government ga wari sanabada achauba thodang KNO na lawi Amuk yengsi KNO gi leaders sing asi kana oige amasung makhogi core objectives sing ado kari no haibido
Recognition of the Kuki people. They seek the resurrection of Zelengam's territorial integrity and sovereignty, as well as the possibility of statehood within India and Myanmar.
Main demand ahanbadi Kuki land natraga Zalengam. Haividi separate state natraga union territory within India. Mafam singdi Kuki dominated areas of Manipur natraga sometimes part of neighboring states. Kuki National Organization gi leaders singi maming President P.S. Haukip, spokesperson Silent Haukip, founded 24 February 1988, Armed Wings KNA. Ideology di makhoyi oiba nationalism, nation ama sagatpa adoni. Kuki minority politics, Kuki nationalism, Kuki National Organization gi armed group sing asi karaiwaida makhoi leige haibadu mayam khangminasi. Operate primarily in the mountainous district of Manipur gi hilly area singda India gi mafam hairagana adjoining areas in Assam dasu as well as the Kabul Valley of Myanmar. Miyam gi damak pijakhiba information if kanarabadi like share amasung comment makhagi comment box ta comment section biramu asumna asingba wahang hanglagadi why is Soo so important? Soo Agreement is important because it reduces violence and creates a pathway of peace. Asingba makti makha tarakpada hangingliba wahangdi why is Soo so important in Manipur? Suspension of Operation Manipurda hauzik adukimatic controversial oi because Soo gi marumda tauning ba Soo gi niyom adubu thugaiduna ngasi aikhoi gi mitmang maktada uraba ngaktani community kharanadi Soo gi marumda makhoi sing ase adukimatic pangal kalli asumna Soo Agreement asi latest oina revised spec tauki 2025 ta